Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में I am going to share some perfumes that I purchased from musebeauty.in. Now they have recently launched their website and I thought this is the best opportunity to place an order, see how the experience is, the shopping experience, see how their website kind of like works and how is the customer service and all of those jazz. So in today's video you will get to see unboxing as well as haul of Muse Beauty perfumes, and then I will do separate review video for these fragrances. So let's begin. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Before I begin, I just want to say thank you for all the suggestions, the recommendations and the request. Like, to make Muse Beauty ka video, I have gotten so many DMs ki when are you reviewing Muse Beauty perfumes? When are you checking their fragrances? Can you check this variant? Can you check that variant? I've got so many requests and I was like, okay guys, let me place an order. Let me see what the hype is all about, how their fragrances are, and are they actually good? How is the customer service and all of that. So I placed an order. I've just received the box here. All the perfumes are here. I'm super excited actually to do the unboxing, to see how the overall delivery is and all of that. I received my fragrances slightly delayed because they had some shipment issues going on, but that's okay because many brands have that shipment issues, so I understand. So I'm just going to open this one up, and while I'm doing this I do want to share that when I placed the order on their website they had some discount going on. So I got these perfumes in the range of 669 each. 30 ml is priced for 999, but on discount I got that for 669. They also have 50 ml variant which is for 1499, which on discount is for 999 rupees. So that's like the price range that I got most of my fragrances at. So just wanted to let you guys know, and I have opened this box and very excited now. So the packing is completely eco-friendly. I really like that they have used this as the protection, no extra bubble wrap. So good packaging. Okay, so after removing that, this is how the perfumes are. Now, when I posted a story on my Instagram channel and I said that I do want to review their fragrances, the owner from Muse Beauty had contacted me and she told me that she would like to send some additional or new fragrances that are launched on the website. She'll go through my order and she'll add some samples so that I can talk about those perfumes as well, but I don't see anything here. Like literally the order that I placed is the order that I got. I haven't received any additional samples. I think she's probably forgotten, but that's okay. Whatever I have ordered I can go ahead and review that. But yeah, I had tried connecting to the Muse Beauty several times before. When I was getting so many requests, I thought that I'll ask them for a collab, and I had contacted them several times on Instagram. I did not get any response. Finally, when I posted a story and I tagged them, that's where I got the response. So I am a little dicey on the customer support. And on the website, when I was placing the order, after I did the payment, it was supposed to redirect me to the homepage giving me the order number. But in the website, that didn't happen. So I was a little confused that, okay, I have placed a massive order here and almost like 3-4 thousand ka this order is. And then I did not get the order number, the confirmation that the order is placed. So I panicked a little. But then on my email, I received a confirmation that your order is so and so, number is so, and your order is confirmed. So I was like, thank God. So the website does have some glitches which may need some fixing, and that was my experience shopping at their website. And for customer support, I did feel that I did not get any response till the point that I tagged them in the stories. So that also may need some improvement. I've heard that Muse Beauty is a 2-team person team. So I understand the efforts that are going behind this and, you know, a lot to deal with. So I understand, and I'm just hoping and praying that there will be improvisation going further. So far, there were no blockers in this order and we can get started with talking about these perfumes. Alright, so the very first perfume that I want to talk about is a Vanilla Paradox. Now, this is how the packaging looks like. I love the outer packaging. It is so attractive and so nice, and there is a note from founders where they have mentioned what this fragrance is all about, and it says that it has 25% oil concentration, which is amazing. This, they claim that it lasts up to 8 hours. I have just unboxed these fragrances. I have not tested and tried them. I will do a separate review video on all of these, so don't worry about that. They've mentioned the ingredients, no animal testing, it's a vegan formula, all good things. And special detail that I don't want to forget, these are made in India. Okay, I'm so proud of that these are made in India, and that is the reason that I really wanted to, like, purchase and test and try these. Love the packaging, like very beautiful packaging out here. And once you open this is how the perfume is sitting inside, and this is how the perfume bottle looks like. So comes with the same sticker as the outside packaging, so I really like that they have kept the packaging cohesive. Let's give it a spray and we'll see how the sprayer is. Nice, the sprayer is nice. Boy, this fragrance, is on my wish list for a very long time. This perfume is a dupe to Prada Paradox, and that is such a signature scent worthy fragrance, and they have done it to the T. I have a tester of Prada Paradox, and from the longest time I'm like looking at the price tag and it's like 10,000, 12,000, 15,000. I'm like, no way am I going to give so much money for this tiny bottle. I went to the Nykaa Luxe store and I sprayed it on myself, and I was like, I really need this scent profile. I have one dupe from Platinum Perfume which is quite close to the Prada Paradox, but this one is done better, like the quality is better on this one. So this one has the notes of pear, some tangerine, vanilla blossom, it has some jasmine, neroli, some orange blossom, like a lot of white florals mixing up with some tangerine, pear and vanilla. So gorgeous, so rich. If you are into white florals, if you are looking for a summer appropriate fragrance, look no further. This is such a signature scent worthy fragrance. With the first sprit itself, I am like super impressed, so I will be testing and trying this fragrance, and I will get back to you with a full-blown review on this one. First impression, it gets a thumbs up from my side. It is so amazing. Love this one. A good rendition, a good inspiration from Prada Paradox. The next perfume that I have ordered is called as Passion Elixir. Now, I really don't know what this is inspired by, but this has white florals laced with dark vanilla and patchouli. This one again has the note of pear in combination with bergamot, which adds to the zestiness. Again, some white florals of tuberose and some jasmine and some added note of vanilla and vetiver. So I am excited about this one also. I love white florals, so I don't mind having multiple white florals in my collection. This is very different from the previous one. The patchouli in this is super heavy. The vetiver is also super heavy. It has a dark feel to it. Like, this is a dark white floral. This is not your bright white floral. Very evening nighttime wear according to me. And this perfume feels like that main character energy. It just has that like life of the party, main character energy kind of something. Very dark, very deep, very mysterious, dark floral is what I'll say. If you are into patchouli, only then you get this one. It has this added freshness of vetiver and a very prominent earthy note to it because of patchouli. I don't know what this is inspired by. In case you know it, please let me know in the comment section. The next one that I have is Lemon Pound Cake. Now, of course, I was most excited for this particular variant because I recently did a review on Lattafa Victoria, which is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana Devotion. So this one, Lemon Pound Cake, is also said to be inspired by Dolce & Gabbana Devotion. And I ordered a smaller bottle in this one. This is a 30 ml one. The other two that I showed previously, those were 50 mls. And I'm very excited about this one because, come on, this has become one of my favorite scent profiles now. This is different. Yeah, this is different from Victoria, Lattafa for sure. Okay, so Lattafa Victoria has like a lemon pound cake or a lemon pie kind of a feel to it, where it feels more bakery and more cake-like. This one feels like those small lemon tart candies which are sprinkled with sugar, and the moment you put them in your mouth, you get that tanginess. It's that kind of a fragrance. This is mixing up with some vanilla and it is bringing that sweetness in here, but this is not a bakery like fragrance. Yeah, this is giving me a very lemon candy, sweetened lemon candy wala feel. So this is not similar to Victoria by Latafa is very much more superior than this one in my opinion. Like literally a lemon slice which has been dipped in sugar syrup and added some sugar crystals on top, and you've left it to dry. So it has this zestiness with sweetness, and this one is definitely combined with some booziness of rum, some pina colada and some vanilla. So this is very different from Latafa Victoria, and I don't know, I don't have Dolce & Gabbana devotion for me to say which one is a closer dupe, whether it's the Victoria or this one. But this individually is not giving me a very pound cake like feel. Yeah, this is giving me more of a candied lemon situation. So the next pick is Cocoa Vanilla Bourbon. Now this one, again, I was very excited to get my hands on because this one is said to be inspired by Alien Goddess. Now I really wanted to try this one because Alien fragrances, Mugler fragrances is something that I crave for all the time. They are expensive, yeah, so I wanted to try this one and see how this fragrance is. Again, I got it in a 30 ml bottle, and if I like this, I will definitely go for the bigger bottle on this one. The sprayer is nice. This one is giving me sun-kissed goddess vibe, like literally vacation in a bottle. The coconut water in this is so nice and so fresh. This is not your creamy coconut fragrance by any means. This is fresh coconut water. So good. Fresh coconut water meets white florals. I think there is jasmine and bergamot in this one. It has very nice note of vanilla and some cashmere, which is kind of making it so silky smooth. It literally feels like a luxurious vacation on a yacht, by a pool, by a beach. Such a nice tropical vacation vibe, which is not screaming fruitiness or cocktail mocktail, but it is kind of screaming sun-kissed goddess, and it does have a suntan lotion vibe to it. I was not expecting this to be so good. I really am enjoying this. I think this is a big bottle worthy fragrance. I just want to test and try this and bring in my final thoughts of longevity, performance, and all of that. I'll test and try this one and get back to you. The last perfume which I am super excited for, and this is the one that actually most of you asked me to order and share my review. This one is Smoky Vanilla. This is one of their best sellers as well. So this has whipped vanilla and brown sugar, and this one is kind of said to be a dupe of your Vanilla 28 by Kayali. Now, you guys know Vanilla 28 is such a famous vanilla fragrance. Like, it has changed the way vanilla is, and I have heard that this is a good dupe to Vanilla 28. So this one has vanilla, brown sugar, amber, and tonka. All good notes. I just hope that this lives up to the mark. My God, this is so good. Muse Beauty, I see what you've done here. This is such a gorgeous vanilla, and yes, this has a similarity to Vanilla 28 by Kayali. I really wanted that fragrance in my collection, but God, the price point is so high. So I'm going to settle for this fragrance. It's such a beautiful layering fragrance in my opinion. The brown sugar in this is so nice, and it is giving that smoky effect. I think this just has a incensey feel to it, but it's not listed in the notes. But sometimes the brown sugar gives that burnt effect on my skin. So I think that's where that smokiness is coming from. This is such a sweet gourmand fragrance, which is so thick and ooey gooey heavy on vanilla. If you are a vanilla lover, you do not want to miss out on this one. This is like pure vanilla in its form. And the amber and the tonka is adding creaminess, adding a lot of warmth. This feels like a nice, tight, warm hug. Alright you guys, so that completes my unboxing and haul for Muse Beauty fragrances. I am going to do a full-blown review of each of these fragrances, and I do have the OG fragrances for some of them, so I can do a nice comparison and bring in the reviews for you. Thank you so much for all the suggestions and requests that I got. Overall, my experience with Muse Beauty was good. I like the scent quality, I like the perfume oil quality that they've put in, I like the packaging, and overall experience has been very positive. So this has kind of given me that kick to order more fragrances from them. They have around 19 to 20 fragrances, out of which I just ordered 5. So I do have a lot other fragrances to explore. Before I make another order, I do want to review these first and bring in those reviews for you guys. So stay tuned for a follow-up updated video. My overall experience on their website is okay, it's not great, and also the customer service is kind of okay, but in my order I did not kind of have any glitches. You know, I whatever I ordered, I got exactly those products. So that way the delivery and everything went smooth is what I'll say. So that concludes my haul and unboxing from musebeauty.in. Those were all the perfumes that I tested and tried. This was first impression. I always say do not go just by the first impression. Let me test and try, let me get back to you with a updated review. So stay tuned for that. I'll do that soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this one, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram if you're interested in more perfume content. This is the space that you want to come and connect. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.